wildlife researchers set up an audio equipment to study coyote calls, which we know what those sound like
Yes.
because we have them close to where we live.
Yeah. Yeah. We hear them all the time. Yeah.
What he captured was not a coyote, though.
What was it?
It came from the tree line, low, then rising into something primal, half human, half beast. Nothing native to Ohio makes a sound like that. Experts tried to match the audio with wolves, owls, foxes. Nothing fit. To this day, Bigfoot researchers call it the most compelling sound ever recorded, and it's never been duplicated.